What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video we're gonna have a super simple install for you guys if you guys do have a Tacoma. So basically what I have right here is going to be a brand new bed rail, which is going to go right there in the back. As you can tell on the Tacomas, it already comes with the bed rail on this side and on that side, but it doesn't come with one right there in the middle. So in today's video I'm going to show you just exactly how to install this and exactly what you can do with it. Let's go ahead and now get into the video. Alright, so before we actually do dive right into it, I want to go ahead and give a shout out to my good friend Derek. He is the one that showed me about this and I thought it was pretty cool, so might as well install it on my own truck. Other people probably know him as D-Rec-Done on Instagram. With this rail, once we install it, you're going to actually be able to still utilize this just like the side bed rails. And the reason why I'm installing this right here, I'm going to be showing you guys this in the future of course, but right here I'm going to go ahead and install my onboard air. I'm going to make a bracket for it and it's going to be a cool little setup right here. It's going to be a little different than other Tacoma people, of course. I like being different, so that's where I'm going to have my onboard air setup. So that's why I wanted to purchase this and install it. So it's going to be super simple. This honestly takes probably like a minute or two to do. All you're really going to need is a T30 Torx bit, and there's going to be one screw there, one screw there, one screw right here, one there, and one there. So of course there's going to be a total of 5 screws all along, and those screws you're going to reuse them to actually install this. So let's get to it. Now that we removed all the screws, let's go ahead and lift it up, of course, line it up with the holes. Once you lined it up, just go ahead and put the screws back. Super simple, nothing too hard. So now that it's all installed, now you can go ahead and mount either chase lights. You can mount basically whatever you want onto these bad boys. I know my good friend Derek, like I stated, the one that showed me about this, he has some chase lights out here, so maybe for you guys can do the same. I'll probably do the same, but mainly what I wanted this bar for is, of course, as I stated, I'm going to go ahead and get a mount made for this that's going to go into here for my onboard air compressor. And I do got to give a big shout out to BeastFab because he's the one that's going to be fabricating the actual bracket for my onboard air. So it's going to look really good once it's all installed. And as you guys can tell, my BESTOP is off. The reason why is because I'm waiting for my actual bed rack to also come in. So this truck's going to change a little bit once it's all done. So I hope you guys did enjoy this, and if you guys want to go ahead and purchase it, I got this through Toyota. So aside from the actual Toyota dealer, you can also find this on Amazon.com. If I find the link, once again, I'll go ahead and link it down below. That way you guys can have ease, and it's actually not that expensive. So if you want to go ahead and purchase it, I'll try to find it and link it down there. Once again, please make sure to smash the like button. It really helps out on the videos and the channel. And once again, if you guys did like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.